Create your own work of art. Your keyboard is your canvas. And it's time to begin your next project. Backed by popular demand, the Canvas Custom Keycap set can transform any keyboard into a work of art. Inspired by Dieter Rams, a key figure in the German design renaissance of the late 50s and 60s, and his 10 principles of good design, these keycaps feature a minimal yet powerful aesthetic, blending neutral grays and subtle tones. Switch compatibility and profile. Sculpted in XDA profile, which is similar to DSA, with uniform height for maximum layout compatibility. The MiTo XDA Canvas Keycap set is compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones, including but not limited to Kaihua, Halo, and Gateron. Keyboard compatibility. Here we're offering kits specifically designed for our Control, TKL, Alt, 65%, Shift, Full 1800, Prionic and Planck, Ortho, or other, similar boards, if they're compatible. ORTHOLINEAR kit. This 64-key kit will cover the Prionic and Planck keyboards, as well as other ortholinear layouts with compatible switches. Top reviews from the United States. Retro stylish and high quality. I ordered this set as a replacement for my Gateron K4's included caps. While not completely lining up with the 1800 layout, the kit does provide enough caps to cover every key, with some minor repurposing, e.g. using the red ESC key as the second meta key. These keycaps have elevated this keyboard into feeling far more premium of a device. They look amazing. Subdued lighting now, perfect for the office, added a bit more sound depth to the red switches the board uses, and the weight and material adds a bit more confidence in keystrokes. My one big complaint is there isn't any locator nub on the F, J, or numpad 5 key. It does comes with some alternative keys that are slightly concave, but it's a subtle enough effect I still need visual confirmation for locating.